Noosa here today. It's taken us a little while to find the fish. We're searching around Sunshine Reef here. We're quite close in at the moment, and hopefully our day will turn around. Danielle, you're on fire today. Keep that line away from the boat. Yeah. Is that a fish? Looks like a whopper. Yeah. Oh, nice! Woo! Look at that! Grassy. Beautiful. Grassy. Yeah, that's a sucker. Nice, man. Have a go at that, guys. Woohoo! Right. Well done, Danielle. That's a bloody beauty, mate. See, I can just smell fish and chips on the menu. Oh, loving it. Well done, Dan. You're on fire today. Just get a quick. Yeah.
Nice one.
Huh?
It's lovely.
Okay, cool. Well done. There's lunch. Beautiful, Danielle. You're absolutely on fire today. Okay, I'll sort it out. But the skipper puts you on the spot. The skipper puts you on the spot. Yes. You can do what you want on a piece of calamari. She's showing off now. So guys, one of the most poisonous, well, when I say most poisonous, one of the most painful fish on the reef out here is this guy. It's called a happy moments. Have a look at that. Whatever you do, if you do catch one of these guys, please don't handle it, or you'll know all about it. It's a bit of a nickname for it. Happy moments. It isn't happy moments. You end up in a lot of pain. They're actually a black trevally, and the Koreans absolutely love these. They'll swap these for any fish. Fantastic sashimi, but hey, not today. Going on to a little fish here. I'm not sure what this one is, but he's definitely got a few head shakes. Another grass. Not quite as big as Danielle's, but plenty of these around after the rain, especially when we've had a lot of rain. I think we've only had about 43 days of sunshine up here on the Sunshine Coast. It should be called the Rainy Coast. Nice Moses perch. Good size too. They are fantastic eating, one of my favourite fish. Don't forget to check the channel, guys. I actually cook one of these on the coals. A nice simple dish. So these are absolutely beautiful. 25 centimetres is legal. You easily go 30, so they'll be coming out for beautiful fish. Beautiful fish, guys. Anything with a black spot on it's touched by God, I reckon. Absolutely beautiful sweet. Oh, damn, you're on again. Good girl. Nice, that's looks like a better fish. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's a pretty miserable day out here. Right. Pearly too. Bloody hell, pearly so close in. Pretty rare catch that you get in this close in, guys, the pearl perch. Now this would be one of the best fish in the ocean by far. So we're getting some really nice fish here at the moment. That's a nice pearly. Look at the colours on it. Absolutely beautiful. Just popping down there. Now we will have to measure him because I can't remember the line to me, but I think he'll be well legal. Around about 30 centimetres. We'll look it up. Whew. This is great. Horrible weather. Absolutely miserable. Westerly blowing like mad. Wasn't too sure that we should come out today or not, but hey, give it a go. Sure he's legal. Oh wow, this is good fishing. Danielle, you're absolutely smashing it today. That's pearl perch. Yeah, probably one of the nicest tasting fish in the ocean, Danielle. Got him? I think it was massive the way you're carrying on. Alan? Go on. Let's see you do it.
Should we one more time? G'day guys, Danielle, Paul's partner from the Hook and the Cook. We had a good day out of Noosa today. I had managed to catch most of the fish, so Paul is a bit disappointed. Never mind.
Never disappointed, mate.
We'll see you next time out of the water sometime.
We weren't out here for very long, but we've got a good feed of fish. Danielle absolutely kicked my ass, as usual. We look forward to seeing you sometime here on The Hook and the Cook. Take care, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Big thumbs up if you like the channel. Cheers. See you later. We're going to put this guy back. He'd go probably around about, say, 50 centimetres, I'd say.